Hi, Wayne here from Sears PartsDirect. Today we're going to show you how to replace a refrigerator water filter that you eject and slide out. You'll find eject and slide out water filters inside the refrigerator at the top right or below the door in the bottom grille. How to replace the water filter on an inside top right. Open the filter cover door. Pull the filter out of the housing. With the alignment arrow pointing up, slide the new filter into the housing until it stops. Close the water filter cover door. Run 2 gallons of water through the water dispenser to purge air and residue. Reset the water filter replacement reminder light. How to replace the water filter in the bottom grille. Open the filter cover door. Pull the filter out of the housing. With the alignment arrow pointing to the left, slide the new filter into the housing until it stops. Close the water filter cover door. Run 2 gallons of water through the water dispenser to purge air and residue. Reset the water filter replacement reminder light. If you're having problems removing your old filter or installing the new one, check out our video on replacement tips. Save yourself the hassle of remembering to order the water filter regularly by signing up for a subscription plan at SearsPartsDirect.com. You get free shipping and free up space in your memory banks. You can find more DIY tips in the repair help section of our website at SearsPartsDirect.com/DIY. We hope this video helped you out today. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to see new videos as soon as we post them.